In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate or clone Shopify page template easily. If you're customizing your Shopify store and want different pages to share the same layout with small variations, duplicating a template is the way to go. Instead of starting from scratch, you can clone an existing Shopify page template and tweak it however you like. In this full guide, I'll show you the easiest way to duplicate or clone a Shopify page template. Step 1. Log in to your Shopify admin. Head over to your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Find the theme you're currently using. Next to it, click the three dots and select Edit Code. This will open all of your themes files. Step 3. Locate your template file. On the left side, open the templates folder. Here you'll see files like page.json for modern online store, 2.0 themes like Dawn, or page liquid for older themes. These files control the layout of your pages. Step 4. Create a copy of the template. Click on Add a new template. Shopify will ask what kind of template you want to create. Choose Page. Then give it a name like Page Custom or Page Duplicate. Shopify will automatically create a new template file that's based on your default page template. If you want to copy the exact structure of another template, you can also open its code, copy everything, and paste it into your new file. Step 5. Customize your new template. Now that you have your clone template, you can edit it freely without affecting the original one. For example, you might add custom sections, change the layout, or adjust styling. Step 6. Assign the new template to a page. To use the new template, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click Pages, then open the page you want to customize. On the right-hand side under Theme Template, choose your new template from the drop-down and hit Save. When you preview the page, you'll see it now uses the cloned layout you just created. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.